Okay, so here we are given some terms in a sequence and we are being asked to find the nth term. So to start with, I'm just going to look at what my sequence is going up in. So from -1 to 0, we're adding 1. From here to here, we are adding 3. From here to here, we're adding 5. From here to here, we're adding 7. So at this point, you need to be thinking to yourself, this is not a linear sequence because it's going up by a different amount each time. Now, to get from 1 to 3, we are adding 2. To get from 3 to 5, we're adding 2. To get from 5 to 7, we're adding 2. So because of that, when you have a constant second difference, so because it's 2, 2, 2, the second differences are 2. This is a quadratic sequence. That is so important that you recognise this. This is a quadratic sequence. Now, we halve our second difference. Half of 2 is 1, so we write out the sequence for 1n squared. So the sequence for just 1n squared is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. I know we've sort of written over the answer line, but ignore that for now. We're then going to think about the difference between our original and our n squared term. So we are going to do -1, take away 1, leaving me with -2. We're going to do 0 take away 4, which is -4. 3 take away 9 is -6. 8 take 16 is -8. And 15 take 25 is -10. And we just need to think now, well, what's the nth term of this new sequence? What's the nth term of this bit here? Well, this sequence is going down in 2s, so it's -2n. And that's it. It is just -2n. There's no need to adjust our formula. It's not, if you do -2 times 1, it's -2. If you do -2 times 2, it's -4. It works as it is. So this sequence here is -2n. So finally, to get the overall nth term for this sequence up here, it's this and this added together. So it's 1n squared plus -2n. Now that is a really ugly, weird way of writing things, so let's just make that nicer. Instead of writing 1n squared, I'll write n squared, and this can just be written as -2n. That is the nth term. That's our final answer. n squared minus 2n for 2 marks.